Brand new video packed with crashes and action, whether that's idiots in cars, instant karma, or very small mistakes leading to very large consequences. Always pay full attention when driving because a lot can happen in 1 second.
Bro, why? Why did you do it, bro? Why, bro?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. I'm literally sick to my stomach.
Speeding through a blind intersection has to be one of the dumbest things you can do as a driver, and this is an example. When trying to impress goes wrong.
Big cause. So I came over here and I seen the tires too. And I was like, man, what's going on? This girl, this also manual. But homie actually LS swapped it. So that makes sense. I was like, man, why you got quad exhaust on this M3 right here, man? Like, but yeah. One bad 9.5, man. Not bad, not bad. I don't care. Don't care.
Oh my God! That's gonna happen!
Survey off property. Trespassing off property. Trespassing.
That'd be perfect. If you can zoom in, that'd be awesome. Yep. Uh-huh. Because I swear he turned right into me. So like, and then boom, like he turned into me.
It looked like he came.
Yeah, he did. He turned into me.
You in the Suburban?
Yeah, in the black one, yeah.
In the black one?
Uh-huh.
He didn't goddamn it go straight through the light though.
He could have easily just slowly pulled out to check if there's anything coming instead of winging it and hoping for the best.
Oh man.
All that to save about a minute of time. 0 IQ move. Instant karma strikes a reckless driver at other people's expenses too, unfortunately. You can't only blame the driver who stopped in the middle, as those lane switches were incredibly late. Plus, no one slowed down to see if the driver is okay or needs help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.
What the fuck?
Idiot reckless driver gets served with instant karma after road raging.
Pull up next to this one. Pull up next to this. What's up? Let's go where? Fuck you, man. Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. Pussy. Ah, you. Car going at high speeds hits a turn and loses control of the car and crashes into opposing traffic. Dumbest thief in the world. Didn't even bother checking his surroundings and stole right in front of the cops. Great reaction time from the dashcam driver, narrowly missed. Hit and run by a dummy who struggles to understand a roundabout.
How are you just gonna cut us? Oh.
You dumb motherfucker.